Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to share how I did this beautiful red lip look. It's a bold yet very elegant look. You can achieve this look in less than 5 minutes guys. So let's begin with the video. So we'll start with a bare clean face and I'm gonna apply some moisturizer first. So for this I'm going to use the Pond's Light Gel Moisturizer. You can choose as per your liking. And now once the face is well moisturized, we'll take it to the neck as well because you want everything to look even. Now I'm gonna start applying this Lakme CC cream. Now I have not included any foundation because a lot of you are not comfortable with foundation, so I'm gonna do this look with CC cream. This works absolutely well on to skin and does not give you a very makeup like look. So this is going to be a very natural look because we are going to do the red lip, so we have to tone down a little bit on the face and the rest of the makeup. So with my fingers I'm just blending it all into my skin and just giving it a more seamless natural look. I'm gonna set it with my powder, and for that I'm using my PAC 211 brush. You can use any brush you have. I'm gonna take the powder on my brush, tap off the excess and start applying it all over my face with light hands. Make sure you do it very lightly guys. Do not pack onto a lot of powder, that way your face is going to look very cakey. Take everything down to the neck as well, and you can see the base is ready. Now we'll move on to the eyebrows, and I'm taking this angled precised brush and take any eyeshadow that has a black shade. First I'm going to comb out the eyebrow hair so that I can start filling now. Make sure you do your eyebrows nicely guys because the main focus of this look is the bold eyebrows and the red lip. So make sure you do it very carefully. Just follow the natural hairline and do not go overboard. Just take your time and fill in them and make it look more natural yet also very bold. So take your time and do your eyebrows guys, that is the key. Now once the eyebrows are done, we're gonna move on to the eyelids, and for eyelids I'm using this small palette that I have from LA Colors, and I'm taking this fluffy brush, and from this palette I'm going to take this neutral shade right here just to add some depth and color to my eyelids. I'm taking it lightly, dusting the excess, and now with circular motions I am just applying it lightly onto my eyelids. Make sure you do not have to build this color, it's just that you need a little bit wash of color onto your eyelids to get that sheen and nice depth to the eyes. Now once this is done, I'm going to move on to eyeliner. Now for eyeliner I will just advise you to follow your natural eye shape and do not go overboard, and just this way it looks more snatched and beautiful. Now once the eyeliner is done, let it dry and then move on to your outfit. So I have my outfit here. I'm wearing a beautiful off-shoulder white top and it keeps falling off. So yeah, now I'm gonna finish off the look with this red lipstick. You have any red lipstick, you can use that. I'm just taking a little bit of blush and very lightly I'm dusting it only on the apples of my cheeks. Do not go overboard guys. Do very little blush because you don't want all the attention on the blush. So very lightly dust it on the apples of your cheeks. And now I'm going to finish off the look with a little bit of highlighter. So I'm using my favorite K-Beauty highlighter, taking a little bit and then just following my features wherever the light hits first and you get a little bit of sheen. Just apply the highlighter and that's all. Finish the look, I have added some really beautiful gold jewelry, and that is all guys. You are ready to rock the world.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this simple tutorial, and I really hope that you like this look. It's a very easy and simple look. You can do it every day. It's just that you have to make sure that your lips are red, your eyebrows are nicely done, and you have a very good highlighter. Now for highlighter, I will always recommend this one right here. This is the one from K Beauty. This is a very natural, highlighter. So I would definitely recommend this one for you. And for lipstick, you can go for any red lipstick that you have. That will be all for this particular look. I'll be back with another video. Until then, see you next time.